Hey noob, how are you?
I'm fine, how are you?
I'm fine too.
Wanna go to the park with you?
Sure noob, I love to.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Bro, noob is acting very strange lately. I wonder what's wrong with him.
How? When we go to the park, I'm not going to kill him.
I have a bad feeling about this. Mm, I'm a bad feeling about this. I think I shouldn't go. Let me call him back. Hey noob, I cannot go to the park.
Why? Because I'm...
Because I'm sick.
Oh, okay.